Hello people, it's Gio again from Campbelton Mountain Adventures, just reminding you to subscribe to No Mediocre 876 for all your best adventures. Done.
Yes, No Mediocre crew and new viewers, welcome back to another adventure vlog. So guys, I'm actually in Negril and I'm on my way to Campbelton Adventures. So what's at Campbelton Adventures, you may ask? Well, a bag of things, but the one that I'm really going there to do is this swing. Actually saw this swing on Instagram and it was like super cool.
200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Alright, 200 meters my destination. I'll reach my destination. Alright, so I saw this swing on Instagram and it looks super cool. It kind of reminded me of the swing that them have in Bali, that's Indonesia. Yeah, where it's high up and you know you go on it and you swing off and them something there. Someone said that seemed like super cool, you know. Let me go and check it out so you guys can, you know, experience it with me. But there are other things that are offered there. I'm not sure of all of them as yet.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, we reach, guys. Check it out. Yeah, man. So, guys, I'm here to experience it and take you along the journey with me. So, you know, as I always say, guys, I'm coming to these places, you know, so that you can see what it has to offer or other places has to offer, so that if you're a local, you know that you can come here and, you know, see what to expect when you choose to, if you choose to come here. So guys, we're not gonna chat no more. Let's just get out the car and just go and register. Let's go, guys. Campbelton, am I pronouncing it right?
Yes, Campbelton.
Campbelton Adventures.
Yes.
Alright, and as soon as I walked up the steps, I was greeted by Gio.
God bless. welcome. Thank you guys for the support.
Yeah, man. So Gio, first, let me never introduce myself. I am No Mediocre, you know? Yeah, man. No Mediocre 876, a vlogger, Jamaican vlogger.
Nice.
Well, of course, my son Jamaican, right? So.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, Gio. So tell me now, what Campbelton Adventures has to offer?
Alright, so for now we offer the ATVs, the swing, and the hiking experience.
Hiking like Blue Mountain hiking?
Not as steep as Blue Mountain, because you know Blue Mountain is like way up, but
it's easier.
It's, I would say, slightly easier. Yes. So the hike takes you on a nice little nature walk into the valley, then you climb the rocks, and you walk upon a surprise, which is a swing.
Wow.
Yes.
And you know, Gio, I was telling the viewers earlier that I actually decided to come here because of the swing.
Yeah.
But I didn't know nothing about any hiking or anything of that sort.
Yeah, man. The first thing people see when they check out Instagram is the swing.
Yeah.
You know, the famous 7-mile swing.
7 mile swing.
Yeah.
You know, when I actually saw it on Instagram in the what do you call it, the search engine part?
Yes.
Search engine? The
Yes,
discovery part.
oh,
Yeah, man. I mean, I said, this remind me of a Bali, man. Indonesia?
Yes, Bali Swing. Yeah, man.
So we have a Jamaica swing.
Yeah, Jamaican Bali Swing. The first of its kind as well.
And yeah, man, and see girls go up there, you know, want to put on them dresses,
Yes.
just like them a fly.
Butterfly, like, yeah, man. Very angelic and very serene.
Yeah, man.
You
So
know?
I just can't wait to experience it.
Oh, I can't
You
wait
see?
either.
I am here for the experience.
Yeah, what? I didn't even see the shirt.
No, but I mean, here for the experience, guys. We are here for the experience. Right now, Mediocre Crew. Right. So, can't wait to reach up there. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed as yet, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any video I post next. See you soon. Guys, you see I'm in a different clothes. I'm actually in a dress. I changed up to go up to where the swing is because then I'm the changing room up there. So to reach up there, we're going to ride ATV. Yeah, so this is ISIS. Tell the people them where your name.
It's Sahib, are known as Bin Laden.
Alright.
Yes, I got the ISIS in the blood, you know, we have to work with it, right?
And it is Fergie. Alright, so I'm not gonna ride the ATV, guys, gonna ride with one of them. So stay tuned. Guys,
Oh my God. Down in the jungle. Ooh. Up by that circle. All the way. Yes, scoreboard and white rice.
Guys, we finally arrive at the Great Swing. Where's the Bali Swing cousin? That's your Fergie. This is the swing, and this is the view overlooking Negril, guys. Yes, so beautiful. So this is what we're going to swing over. By sorry who can fly.
Can't fly.
You make sure say you strap that in properly. Beautiful. Hope you're quiet too.
Yes.
Oh yeah, got this. You go on it. We're going to test it out with you first. Seriously, you not do that to him. Make him strap down for Jesus, friend. Wow. You run some risk. Yes, guys, ready to create some content for you.
Boy.
Going in the Great Swing. Oh, Jesus. Father God, here come.
Yeah, pray.
God, I'm doing this for fun, but at the same time, protect me in this swing. In your name I pray. Amen.
So which religion I believe in?
Tell me which religion. I'm a Christian.
That's why I ask. You can believe in a Muslim like me too, you know?
Help me.
So you go. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh God, I want to be jump like this.
I must hold on now.
Right, watch me now.
Go
So,
up here.
your hand go the outside. And
Like
then,
this?
yeah, so watch what go up now. You go on to lean back. Yeah. And then you have something like this when you go like this.
Can you push me forward, me drop? Oh, yeah.
Not that thing. You see, get a rush too fast, you know? Them see a fall and bird and them something they fly, but today you go fly and show your vloggers, right?
Guys, you see what me I do for you now?
Blame it on the vlog.
Creating content for you guys. You know, I'm doing it so you can see and know what to expect when you come. Yeah, take off my water shoes.
Yeah, take off your water boot, my friend.
No water.
Oh God, man, look at your nails and pretend you're hide it. My friend,
Guys.
look, the nails fit all the dress. All them something there.
I'm sure I did it.
Exactly.
I can't take it.
I can't manage.
You see that, guys?
So you want to take a slow leave that when you pull up?
I'm going to close my eyes.
Right. Why you go close your eye?
Alright.
You not gonna give your viewers them a good content, you know?
Alright, my eyes open, guys. I'm ready.
Look, guys, look.
Remember, guys, it's like Alright, not so bad now, not so bad. May I enjoy it, not so bad. Because I go slow.
So friend, where you want to go? Yeah, I'm fine.
Right.
Looking at camera now, I said chicken wings, chicken wings.
Gio was saying that a hiking, we can do hiking as well, but I opted not to do the hiking, you know. So Isis was saying that if we had done the hiking, we would have exited which part?
Right here.
Right
so we see the
here.
rope, that's the guideline all the way up.
Okay. Well, where's the rope?
Yeah, so we don't have to go
So
down
hike
through the
and then
valley.
come all the way to the swing. Alright, so what you're going to need to show the viewers now in the ISIS is where the hiking trail begins.
Okay, so basically the hiking trail begins back down that side at the split end where you see the crossroad coming up halfway. We're gonna get in that slowly. But basically that's where sometimes we start from down at the hill foot where we ride come up, or we start at the original spot where it's a bit more extreme than walking all the way down. Because walking from down by the hill foot is just like a mandatory walking.
Okay. So how long it normally lasts, the hiking?
Okay, so the hiking normally lasts maybe an hour max, depends on the speed as I was saying before. So most people, you have some come here, have a health condition, but they still want to test it. So we have to work on their pace.
Okay.
So as I said, it's a pace thing. You
Ah,
can't just
cool.
say, alright, can take maybe 15 minutes, 20, 30. It all depends on their pace.
Okay, no problem. Okay, cool. So here guys, if you want to do the hiking, you can opt to do so or not.
I recommend it.
You'd recommend the hiking?
I do it like 2 times per day. When I came to work,
Mm-hmm.
I my head, we just get up and start doing the first hiking on my own pace. So
Alright.
sometimes I walk from the down by the deck itself,
Mm-hmm.
and the property start all the way up to here.
Okay.
And sometimes ride halfway, which we normally ride and stop and do the hiking itself. We do some rock climbing after going through the valley.
Okay.
So basically from this point here,
Mm-hmm.
all the way back down there,
Mm-hmm.
that's where the rock climbing starts. You can stand from down in the valley and see a swing.
Okay. Oh, beautiful.
Trust me,
Alright.
it's a good experience.
Alright, so let's go to what? The mineral bath now?
No, we are going at the Rich View first, then to the mineral bath.
Alright, let's go, Isis.
Listen, man.
Alright, so guys, we are now heading to Rich View. Have I called Rich View?
It's the reason for that now is to show the richness of the property, basically.
Richness of the property.
So, looking down by the hill, you see the farmer's land.
Alright, let me show the viewers how it looks.
Okay, so come this way. The property is basically mostly about.
Oh, beautiful.
That's a whole farming facility down there.
Oh, okay.
See?
So what you plant on the farm?
Okay, so it's a seasonal thing. Like you have a season when you plant like tambricks, cassava, bado, yams, as I said before.
Turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric. Whatever there is to plant.
Oh,
And
okay.
basically, the richness of the soil, where we get the very good quality. Remember, you can't just get up and farm anywhere. You have
Yeah.
some place,
Test out the soil.
yeah, so you might not get the thickness you want or the texture.
To yield good crops, right?
Very good crops. You have also the spring right beside it. Where,
It's a nice spot to come and just
Exactly.
relax and meditate too.
right,
Nice.
that's good.
Yes, guys. So this is Rich View. So after we left the swing, we came just right up here to just overlook the farm and just enjoy the view.
Cool breeze.
Cool breeze. Cool. Okay, so where you see that white car, not sure if you can see it properly. Let me zoom in a bit. Yes, right there. That's where we actually started from and came all the way up here. You know how far where I come from. But it doesn't seem that far. How many miles you said from down by the base?
From down the base to up here is almost 2 miles.
Yeah, approximately 2 miles, guys. Yeah, I like it. I like the view.
Follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. I'm not above it. Let me be myself.
Try the pretty two in my friend.
So this is where the hiking trail begins. And we're all the way up, right, Jim?
Yeah.
Alright.
And this is our test shot.
Okay.
Up by the other shelter, as I was saying before. Normally like warm up there first.
Before we start. Okay. So guys, come hike if you want to hike, alright? The mineral bath. So this is generally the color of the water?
No. Just because of the...
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna wash off the mud or no splash up on.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's what I'm on.
Guys, I'm now back at base, and as you can see, I had a great time. I don't even need to tell you anything more about it because you saw it all. But guys, I realized that when we just came, I did not let Gio tell you what are the different packages, just in case you're interested in coming.
Okay, so we do the ATV only. We can do the ATV and hike. We can do the ATV and swing, the 7-mile swing or the riverside swing. All right. Also, we can do just hike and swing, or we can just do hike only. For some, we can do swing only. So just reach out to the Instagram. We send you a brochure, or on the Instagram you can.
What's the Instagram handle?
That's Campbelton Ventures, right? Campbelton Ventures. So no add,
Right there.
just Ventures.
Okay.
Yes, so Campbelton
Ventures. All right.
Yes.
I'll add it in the description.
All right.
And what's the price, Gio? Let them know the money.
So it ranges from local $75 per person. A group of 4 gets a discount of $500 off per person. International, it starts at $110 per person. All right.
All right.
So it's always good vibes.
All right.
So let's reach out to the Instagram.
All right, thanks, Gio, and thank you guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Hit that post notification bell, so you don't miss any video I post in the future. Like the video, comment below, and of course, as usual, share the video.
Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.